I will teach you how to set up and create a Facebook business page for your brand. So if this is your first time of visiting my channel to watch a video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification button so that you can get to know when I upload another tutorial video. So thank you. So the first thing we are going to do is to log in your Facebook account. So you have to log in your Facebook account and then you create your Facebook page. So just go to facebook.com and then you log in your account. So after the page is loaded, so you just click on the pages here. So you click on pages. You click on pages, and after clicking on pages, you click on create new page. So these are my existing pages that I've already created on my Facebook account. So these are the pages I manage on my Facebook account. So you just click on create a new page. So you click on create a new page, and here you will input your page name, either your business name, your company name, your brand name, your organization name, or your nickname. So just input your business name here. So you have to input the name here. So my business name is Media. So that is my own business name. And after inputting your business name, so the next thing you are going to do is to input the categories of your business. That is, you have to describe what type of business or organization or topic the page represents. You have to describe the activities that is performed in the business you want to create this page for. So my business is focused on online services. So I'll just input internet marketing service. I render service to people. So my page relates to what I input here. So if you are selling products on online store, or you are selling services online, so you can just input product/service. You can input product/service. If you are selling products online, maybe you are creating this page for your online store or your website. So you can input the product you are selling here. If you have the categories of the product you are selling, so you can just input it here. So I will choose internet marketing service because I'm only rendering service online. So after inputting your categories, so you are allowed to choose three categories. You are allowed to choose 3 categories under the creation of the Facebook page. So at least you have to choose one category. You have to create a category for your Facebook page as it shows here, as you can see it. So this is how your page will appear to desktop users, and this is how it will appear to mobile users. So this is how your page will appear to them. So after you have input your category, so the next thing you are going to do is to input your page description. That is, you have to describe what your page focus on. So you have to input what your page focus on. So write about what your page does, the service that you provide, or the purpose of the page. So you have to input the purpose of creating this page in the description of page here. So you have to input it. So I will input mine. I've input my own description, that is what my business focus on. So that is what my business is all about, briefly. So you don't have to write too much of what, as you can see here, the right character limit 255. So you can't write more than 255 words in the description page. So you have to make it brief and meaningful. You must be focused on what you are rendering. So don't try too much of description here. Just write it briefly, and then after that you review everything before you click on this create page button. So make sure you review everything. Maybe you've made a mistake, so you check it out. After checking it out, then you just click on create page. So after clicking on create page, so the next thing you are going to do is to add a profile photo to your Facebook page. So you have to add a profile photo to your Facebook page. So just click on this plus button, so it will direct you to your folder. So just find the photo, the picture you want to use for your Facebook page. So you select it and then you click on open. So as you can see, the profile picture appears here. So that is the profile picture I want to use for my own Facebook page. And the next thing you have to do is to add your cover photo. You have to add your cover photo so as to make your page look professional and captivating to your audience. So you have to add this to it. So you search for the cover photo you want to add to your page. So this is the cover photo I'm adding. Click on open again. So this is my cover photo. So you can drag it to the position you want it to be. So you can drag it and then after you set it very well and check everything, this is on the desktop preview and this is for mobile preview. So after checking it and you see there's no mistake, so you just click on the save button. So this is the about of the page. This is the about of the page. So you just click on save button. So that is how to create a Facebook page for brand, businesses, organization, or yourself. So that is how to create it. And after that, you can just connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. So just input your WhatsApp number here and then you click on send a code. So that is all on that.